In this video, I will show you how to fix the comments are closed issue under WordPress posts. And usually you will see this message on posts that already have existing comments, such as in my case, this post has 6 comments. But on posts that do not have any comments, such as this post, you will not see such message. And usually there are 2 reasons why you may see this issue. Number 1 is the comments were manually disabled under the post settings, or they were automatically closed after a certain period of time. And in WordPress, usually it's about 14 days, which basically means that users are able to leave comments for about 14 days since the post has been published. So in this video, I will show you a few settings that you should double check to fix this issue. Let's log into WordPress dashboard and then go to posts, then click on all posts. And in my case, let me find the title for this post is this one. Let's find it right here. Let's click on it. Once the block editor loads, on the right, click on post and then scroll a bit down till you find the discussion section. And you want to make sure this option, allow comments, is enabled. If you don't see a check mark, set a check mark and then update the post. Then go back to the website, refresh it, see if this message disappears. If you still see it, in that case, we might have to go to the other advanced settings. So once again, let's go back to WordPress dashboard, then hover on settings, then click on discussion. Then under the other comment settings, locate this particular setting, which is automatically close comments on posts older than 14 days. 14 days is usually set by default in WordPress. But what you can do is simply try changing the period to like 30 days or 60 days. And what essentially it will do is, for example, let's say we put 60 days here. From the moment I publish the post on WordPress, the users will be able to leave comments for up to 60 days. And after that, the comments will be closed. And to bypass this limitation, you can just simply uncheck this box and users would always be allowed to post comments under your posts. And let's go ahead and just save changes. So once I refresh the post, the users would be able to leave comments right here. In fact, this change will also be applied to my other post. Yeah, here's the leave reply option. Also, I would like to mention one more thing. Let's go back to discussion settings. Under the default post settings, you'll see this third option, which is allow people to submit comments on new post. Make sure it's enabled. What we'll essentially do is whenever you create a new post in WordPress, the comments will be enabled by default. So whenever you publish the post, users would be able to leave comments. Now let's go ahead and just save changes. And that's pretty much it. So that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.